Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Keep It Simple Sunday, and that's hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY. I'm going to be linking the host and the channel link down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody made for Keep It Simple Sunday. So remember to click that like button because this helps us to grow on YouTube, and also comment below because we would love to hear from you. So I'm going to be making this DIY with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting out here by painting these wood pieces in that beautiful lavender color. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like the video. I hope you stay and subscribe. And for all of you faithful subscribers who have been with me from the beginning, thank you so much. I so appreciate you. Now let's jump into the video. So this time of year, the Dollar Tree carries these thicker wood pieces in these shapes. And so this one right here is the Easter egg. We're going to paint that one in purple. And the other two, one is a cross and the other one's a bunny. We're going to paint those in pink. Okay, so now while the bunny, the cross, and the egg were still wet with the paint, I went ahead and I sprinkled that with a little bit of the iridescent glitter. So what I decided to do once the piece is dried is go ahead and trim out all of these 3 pieces with some gold paint. So now this ribbon right here, I purchased it at Michael's when they were having their Christmas clearance, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and make some bows and also do a little bit of embellishing, gluing these pieces with that ribbon. So I can't wait for you to see. So here I decided to turn that wooden plank around, and we're going to go ahead and hang these pieces. I think that's going to look really, really cute. So I am just measuring and then finding out the placement. And then we're going to go ahead and glue each one of those, the Easter egg cross and the bunny, onto the ribbon. After those pieces are glued, we're just going to give that a second for it to dry. And while we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and start on a bow. I absolutely love using those big iridescent gems stickers, and you can get that at Walmart. We're gonna go ahead and embellish the middle of that bow with one of those iridescent gems, and then we're gonna go ahead and find the placement of where we're going to place that on this wall decor piece. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host for hosting this collaboration. Now here I decided to go ahead and put a gold Easter egg on each end of that wall decor piece. I I think this piece came out absolutely beautiful. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.